Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Shruti. This is the continuation of Page Object Model series. I've already made two videos on this topic. So if you have not watched them yet, I recommend you to check those first. Okay? Okay. In the previous videos, I've created two page classes, one for login and one for checkout process. Okay. So in this video, I will show you how to add specific product to the cart. Okay. We will pass the product name as an argument in the test file, and we will loop through all the available products and find the one that matches and click on the add to cart button. Okay. Okay. We will see how to implement that. Okay. So I've already created the, sorry about that, already created this product class, and we have already identified the locators. Okay. So the application is source demo. So what we need to do, let us inspect the item name. Okay. We have already inspected. Let us see item name. Okay. So this item name is having the list of all the product names. Okay. I'll just show you. Control F. Okay, so as you can see, this item name locator is having the details of all the products. Okay, so what we need to do, first we need to get the count of it, then loop through it. Okay. Okay, so first let us create the method name. Okay. Okay, so how to create a method, async, then method name. So method name I will say is add to cart, to cart by name. Okay, so as I said, we need to pass an item name as a argument. So the variable I will say is target product name, so it should be string. Okay. Okay, so now let us take the count of it. Okay, I'll create a variable product name is equal to await, we have to use this dot page. Okay, this dot page dot locator. Okay, locator, and we want the count of this product list, so this dot product list. Okay. Okay, so now let us print and see console dot log product name. Okay. Okay, so you know why I'm using this dot page here and why I'm using this here. Okay, so in the previous video I've explained this. Okay. Okay, so now I will loop through all this products name and click on add to cart button. Okay. Okay, so first let me take the first product. So let us create the for loop first. So you know how to create a for loop. Let I is equal to 0, I less than product name. 1 minute. Dot count, I have to use count here because I want the count of it, correct? So dot count, so this will give the count. So here instead of product name I will say product name count. Okay. Okay, so I'll print the product name count. Okay, so here less than product name count and I plus plus. Okay, so now I will take each product. Const product is equal to this dot page dot locator. So here I want the first product. So as I mentioned in my previous video, in the for loop, first it will go to the first product card, means this one, When I say I is equal to 0, first time it will come to this product card and it will find whether the title is matching. Okay, if it is matching, then it will click on this add to cart button. Okay, so let us keep this in some. Let us take the first product. So this dot product list dot nth of I. So it will take the first product. So this product is having the first product, okay, nth of I. So first time it will be 0 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, okay, so now let us take the name. Okay, const name is equal to await product dot locator. Okay, so this is called chaining locator. Okay, so here I'm not searching for the product name in the page. Okay, so this is important. Okay, I'm not searching for the add to cart button in the page. I'm searching add to cart button in this card. Okay, because here I'm searching product dot locator. This product is having the first product for the first time when the loop runs. Okay, okay, so in this I'm searching and I want to get the product name. So where is the product name? Product name is in the product title. Okay, so this dot product title. This dot product title. So I will take the fetch the content of it name. So use text content method. So you can use inner text and text content. We can use both. Okay. Okay. So let us print the name console dot log. Okay, so now let us print the count and let us print the product name. Okay, okay, so let us go to the class test file and we have already created an object and let us call this method. Okay, okay, so this is the test file. We have already created an object for this product page. Okay, so now let us call that method await product dot what is the method name. Method name is add to cart by name. Okay, add to cart by name and it will accept product name. Okay, so product name I will give the first one or any product name you can give. I'll copy it from here. Okay, I will save and I will execute. Okay, okay, so the spec file name is log into source demo. Okay, so as we can see it printed all the product names. Okay, okay, so this is the product count. There are 6 products and it printed the product titles. Okay, okay, so now let us click on the add to cart button. Okay, so we got the name and if the name, okay, so if this name is matching the name we pass in the test file, then click on that add to cart button. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm looping through all the product list here. There are 6 products and if the title matches the name I provide in the test file, then go inside this product card and click on add to cart button. Okay, Okay, so we got the name. So now we'll put if condition. Okay, so if name dot trim, I will use trim to remove extra space, is equal to strict equal to, if it is equal to this target product name. Okay, if it is equal to target product name, then click on that add to cart button. Okay, so await product dot locator, product dot locator. So here I'm not using page dot locator, I'm using product dot locator, because this product is having the first or second or third product details. Okay, this dot add to cart button, we have already inspected add to cart button, dot click. Okay, so now let us use console statement and print which product is added to the cart. Okay, console.log backtick product target product name is added to the cart. Okay, once it added, I will say return. Okay, we have to use return. Okay, so this return will exit the loop after finding and adding the product to the cart. Okay, okay, so if it does not find the product name, then it should throw the error. For that we have to say throw new error. Okay, throw new error, so it should say product not found on the page. Okay, product, sorry, the product name. Okay, so the target product name, target product name is not found on the page. Okay, if there is a product name, it will go inside the product card and click on the add to cart button. If not, it will throw this error. Okay, okay, let us save and go to the test file and execute this. Okay, okay, and as we can see, the product name backpack is added to the cart. Okay, because here we gave sauce labs backpack. Okay, let us give some other product name here. Okay, here I'm not hard coding anything. Okay, so I mean in the test file we can pass any product name. In the product page we are not entering any product name. Okay, okay, so I'll give some weight here. Okay, so await page dot timeout, wait for timeout, I'll give some hard weight. Enter the username product, and as you can see here it entered this product to cart, so we're getting this remove button. Okay, okay, so product sauce lab fleece jacket is added to the cart. Okay, so this is how we can pass the product name in the test file and click on add to cart button. Okay. Okay, so first we got the count of it, and that count we did for loop, okay, till that count name. And here I'm taking the first product, okay. I'm keeping this in the product variable, and in that product variable, in that product is having first product for the first time, okay. In that I'm getting the text of it, okay. And if the text is matches the target product name, I'm passing in the test file. Then go inside this and click on add to cart button, okay. So yeah, this is how we can achieve this, okay. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.